Hey everyone, this is Matt. So I'm just going to display these lighthouse scores for all these pages. And here is where they are. So let me get this going in the right screen here. Okay, so we're switching to window 1. This is mobile, so that's nice. That is a really good score for mobile. Accessibility, I'll make sure these get to 100. There's no reason why I can't get them to 100. So, but that's mobile, and it should be a lot better on desktop. So yeah, let's go with, let's shoot for doing mobile and desktop. So on desktop, this should be pretty good. It should be better on desktop. I mean, I'd be surprised if it was worse. Yeah, so performance 100, great. And I'll get them. Yeah, let me just go through the website here. So first of all, everything works. That cycles through the events. The modal works. Yeah, so all right, so that's all good. Words from my pastor. Weekly schedule. More about our ministries. Okay, let's go. Let's click those different. Let's click those at different times. So here's another page. Mostly just making sure all of the pages have decent scores, 90 plus. Okay, so I just squeaked by on performance with this one. I wonder why. There's nothing really, isn't really this. Forced reflow. I mean, it passes, but I'll definitely have a look at this page for sure. Should be better on desktop though. So we'll see. We will make sure. Yeah, so desktop it's fine. Okay, now we go to visit us. This should be all good. Yeah, all the text should be good. It's just a call. It's funny, it's almost my number. It's almost my business number. Get info. Okay, so visit us. We gotta make sure this one works. So we'll go with mobile first. And 96, 96. Okay. Force reflow, yeah. We have to make sure to fix all of these. Should be 100s across the board, no problem, because that's just something that should be happening. I wonder what's going on with accessibility. Background and foreground colors. Which one is this? Call us? It's the call us button. Is it really? Wait, which one is this? Okay, this one I can see. The call us button, though? Which one is that? Oh, it's this one. I don't even know why I have that there, honestly. Call us, that should be gone. I should just get rid of that. And that'll fix that one. So, was that desktop? Sermon archive. They should be pretty much the same. All of these should be the same. There's nothing really that different about them. The main page has all the functionality, like yeah, so 94, 95, hundreds. Yeah, this is just a bunch of links. And honestly, they might want to get rid of some of these. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely passable. It's definitely a passing score. Passing scores, I should say, across the board, 90s and up. The About page, I think, had the lowest 90 score for mobile. A little bit of a, little bit of, an alarm there, but nothing too bad. Okay, connect and grow, ministries. Yeah, okay, so list all these ministries. They all basically work. Yeah, like, these should all be, like, the same. Okay, pretty good. Really, like, anything above 90 for mobile is very, very good. It's very hard to get mobile perfect. Just because it's on such a small screen, things get bunched up, these navigation buttons get all bunched up, and, things just kind of get a little bit weird on mobile. So, very, very good on ministry. I'm guessing the accessibility issue is going to be basically the same. Okay, so these might be a little bit... This might have a little bit of trouble. No, not too bad. Okay. Yeah, not bad at all. Okay, that's good. And then desktop should always be a little bit better. There we go. And then the contact form should be no problem at all. Certainly no shouldn't be any worse than the lowest page. It's all very simple. It's a very simple page. Okay. Yeah, so it all passes.